Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ochuko. So this is going to be pretty quick. I've looked online, tried to find solutions for this, and all the videos were long. I'm going to make this real short. This is a video showing you how to format or erase all the files on your hard drive. Let's get into it. First, you just go into, you can open Spotlight, and then you can just search for disk utility. And once you get to disk utility, over here on the side, you are going to find the different hard drives. These are your internal drives right here. This is linked to your computer. So these are external. These are any files that you plug into your device. They will show up on here. So right now I have my memory card stuck in there. If I did want to format this, I will go here to erase. You click erase. This comes up, put what you want to rename the folder, the device as, and then on here you just go to exFAT and then you click erase, and that will take you through the process. It's pretty quick. It's less than a minute. I did this on my 1 terabyte device and it took probably 45 seconds. Go ahead and try that. I hope this helps. Have a good day.